There is a quiet, highly profitable addiction spreading across the tech world right now, and it involves a device that Apple repeatedly tries to ignore, yet cannot kill. For over a decade, the tech industry has been pushing a very specific, aggressive narrative down your throat. They told you that bigger is always better. They turned smartphones into massive, pocket-stretching bricks, and they turned tablets into heavy, over-engineered laptop replacements complete with bulky keyboards and pro-level price tags. But in their race to build giant screens, the tech titans forgot a fundamental human truth. Convenience is king. They forgot about the millions of people who don't want to carry a heavy slab of glass just to read a book, answer emails, or sketch a design on the move. They forgot about the purists who wanted a device that fits perfectly in one hand, slips effortlessly into a jacket pocket, and completely disappears until it is needed. Every single time Apple drops a new iPad mini, they treat it like a side project. They leave it languishing on Apple's store shelves for years without a single update, letting the processor age and the screen technology fall behind, hoping the world will finally move on and buy an iPad Pro instead. But the world refuses. Every single time, the cult of the iPad mini fights back. Used prices stay stubbornly high, and online communities buzz with intense loyalty, waiting years for the next iteration. And now, Apple has realized they can no longer suppress the demand. They have unleashed a device engineered to be the ultimate portable computing weapon. Enter the Apple iPad mini 8. This is not an incremental, safe update designed to recycle old parts. This is a deliberate, highly calculated shift in Apple's mobile strategy, built to turn a cult classic into a dominant powerhouse. To truly understand why the iPad mini 8 is causing an absolute frenzy among power users and minimalists alike, you have to look past the size and examine the intense psychological shift happening in how we use technology. We are currently living through a period of massive screen fatigue. People are actively pushing back against giant laptops and exhausting, heavy devices. The iPad mini 8 takes its stand precisely at the intersection of extreme portability and lethal capability. When you first pick it up, it feels shockingly light, almost weightless, yet the structural rigidity of the aluminum chassis screams premium quality. But the real magic isn't how it feels in your hand. It is the sheer, unadulterated processing muscle Apple has managed to cram inside a footprint smaller than a standard paperback book. At the absolute center of this miniature beast sits a custom-architected M-series silicon chip, paired with a completely overhauled thermal management system. For years, Apple restricted the mini line to older iPhone processors, terrified that giving it a true Mac-grade chip would cause it to melt through the chassis or destroy the battery life in minutes. But by implementing an advanced, ultra-thin vapor chamber cooling system, Apple bypassed the physical limitations of small form factor design. The iPad mini 8 doesn't just browse the web or stream movies. It actively chews through desktop-grade workloads. We are talking about editing multiple streams of 4K video on a plane, compiling thousands of lines of code while sitting in a coffee shop, or running heavy, desktop-class creative suites without a single stutter, drop in frame rate, or hint of thermal throttling. It turns the concept of mobile productivity on its head, proving that you no longer need a bulky laptop backpack just to carry